This is Brian Anthony White with the entertainment team here at Celebrity Cruises, and we are so excited to share with you the latest developments with Camp at Sea and the youth programs on board. What were once static youth activities on our ships have really been transformed into immersive family experiences that appeal to a wide variety of tastes and interest levels. So here at Celebrity Cruises, we believe in entertainment programming with a purpose, and this runs all through our youth experiences on board, which has allowed us to really establish Camp at Sea on 4 different pillars of programming. The first pillar of our program, which really speaks to the minds of our young travelers, is STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and math. Speaking to the hearts of our Camp at Sea participants is our second pillar, which is art. The third Camp at Sea pillar, culinary, appeals to the tastes of our young gourmet travelers. And of course, no traveler's vacation would be complete without fun, and so our fourth pillar of recreation ensures that there's an active component to every Camp at Sea experience. Our entertainment team has worked diligently to curate select brand partnerships that are closely aligned with our values that allow us to deliver a one-of-a-kind youth and teen program. In the world of recreation, Celebrity Cruises prides itself on providing high-end, cutting-edge technological experiences on board. So naturally, we are thrilled for our partnership with Xbox to provide the largest Xbox One experience at sea. For lifelong lovers of education and exploration, we are exhilarated to be the home of Anturis Explorers Academy, our premier brand partner for STEM that leads our young adventurers in explorations of air, land, and sea. Camp at Sea is the ultimate culmination of years of research, feedback, and focus that ensures the experience we provide to our families on board resonates with their values and is the most exclusive entertainment, educational, and enrichment experience at sea.